Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to install and add fonts to Photoshop and how to use it for your projects. I've downloaded a free font, unzipped it, and then I'll just go and click here to this open type font file, double click, and this is what we see, how it looks like. It's pretty self-explanatory. Go and hit install. It's going to be installed for your window, meaning you can use it also for other programs, not only for Photoshop. You can use it for Word, PowerPoint, etc. I'll close this thing here, and straight away when I double click here and write the name of the font is this one, I can switch it and use it. Where you can find and manage all of your fonts, it's pretty easy to. Just go to your control panel, go to fonts, and there you go. Here in the search bar you can find the one that you need and you can manage it. For instance, you can delete it. It's again pretty explanatory, super easy to be done. If you liked this video, consider to subscribe and like. Hit the bell icon, this would help us a lot. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.